So here you can see that I already have a screen recorded footage. So if I were to play this around, you can see that the mouse moves around and then does something on the screen. So let's say I want to make it interesting to look at. In order to do that, what I can use is something called device frame, which makes it look as if this is being on an actual device. So I can go around over here onto visual effects section for that, and then I can go around in device frame and then simply click and drag it on over here. So now what happens is that everything that we did now is in this device, just like that. So you can see that now the video footage is on an actual computer, just like that. There's a bit of a background movement and everything else here as well. And now it seems as if the actual thing is being done on a computer. So what you can also do is choose out the device frame. So right now, desktop is being chosen out. So you can also go and choose iPhone. Let's say, for example, just like this. You can see there's some background movement as well. And it seems as if this is being done on an actual area. Of course, you can rotate this out as well and arrange it out according to what you want. You can change it out onto, let's say, a MacBook Pro right here. So as if now it seems as if it is being done on a MacBook Pro. Then you can also choose Google Pixel just like this, and you can choose around more options by going into download more right here. And then it'll take you to Camtasia's website where you can download even more device frames just like this. And this is one of the ways to make your screen recordings much more presentable inside of Camtasia. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.